FEC Train number 101 with the meet in Fort Pierce with FEC's 202. It's a very cloudy Monday. Almost rainy, I suppose. Very quiet as well. Oh, we got a CITX engine leading this one. Preferably the 140. ECH from the 140 and I think that's 716, 713, I don't know. I didn't really pay attention. I'll look at the video later. No, it looks like 713 actually. There you go. The meet NFO. Yeah. Couldn't really tell which trailing unit that was. 703. 703, 713, 714, and 716 are all painted the heritage colors. So, yeah. The engine number will be typed in the description box below. Or I'll put it as an annotation on the video. Anyway, let me pull out my watch for the EOT. EOT at 5:47. Well, meet's gonna take about an hour, so stay tuned for FEC's 202.